In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up a Bush TiVo television. Firstly, remove the battery cover on the remote. Then, insert two AAA batteries. You can now refit the battery cover. To fit the stand, place the television on a flat and stable surface. Firstly, line the pillar up with the stand. It can only fit in one direction, so ensure that the pillar is facing the correct way and slots into place. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the two silver screws to the pillar section. Ensure that both of the screws are tightened firmly. You can now mount the TV to the stand with the 4 black screws. You can then plug the television into a wall socket. To do a first-time installation, start by pressing the power button on your remote. Use the remote to scroll to your language. Press OK to confirm your choice. If you would like to change the accessibility settings, scroll left and press OK. If not, press OK to continue. Scroll to your country and press OK to confirm. Press OK to continue in home mode. Scroll to your desired picture mode and press OK to continue. From the list, select OK on each setting you consent to. If you consent to all settings, scroll down and select Accept All. Then, scroll down to Submit and press OK to continue. Press OK to agree to the terms and conditions. We recommend connecting your television to the internet to use online services. If you're using a wired internet connection, ensure you have an Ethernet cable in the correct port on the TV. Then, with the remote, select Wired. If you would like to connect with Wi-Fi, scroll to Wireless and scroll down to Next. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and press OK on the remote. Use your remote to type in your Wi-Fi password. Once you have entered your password, scroll down and select OK to continue. Once connected, press OK to continue. Press OK to agree to the manufacturer's terms and conditions. To watch live television, insert an aerial cable into the television. Then, scroll down and press OK to start a channel search. Press OK if you would like to add Freeview. Finally, choose whether you would like to watch the welcome video. Press OK on your desired option. For further help and support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.